How to stop Roblox crashing. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Roblox crashing. So firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device, then search for the Roblox app and look for updates. After this, go back to your home page. Now from your home page, you will need to navigate to the Settings app. In your Settings app on the main page, you will see an interface like this. Go to the Wi-Fi option and make sure that you have a good internet connection. Now go back to your settings main page and tap on General. Inside General, select the option Software Update. Now check for any software updates that may be available for your system. Now select the option iPhone Storage. Here make sure that you have enough storage. Search for the Roblox app and click on Offload app to clear any unnecessary cache. Now go back to your home page and open the Roblox app. Select any game that you would like to play. Once it opens, tap on the Roblox logo at the top left corner. Go to Settings and scroll down. Here you will see the graphics mode. Make sure that you select a graphics mode that your device can handle. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.